We are officially on day 3 of Strongest 75. If you have not watched days 1 and 2, please go back and watch them. Every single day is going to be something that you have to do to increase your credit score. And there's a free playlist here. And when you actually purchase this book and these books also, it's a 3-book bundle. When you purchase the 3-book bundle, you guys are going to get a free course that's going to be included in this, okay? So you guys will have that free course. I'm just going over every single day in here so that you guys can know exactly what you have to do. And just if you don't have nobody else doing it with you, just think of me as your friend doing it with you, give you those extra tips, those extra pointers, okay? So again, go back and watch days 1 and 2. It's stuff that you have to do, and now we're on day 3. Now if you guys have already watched those days, it's time for us to actually get the credit reports. So inside this book, I actually teach you guys how to actually get your credit reports for free, okay? So this book actually teach you how to actually get your credit reports. Plus inside the free course, I tell you another site that you guys will be able to get all 3 of your credit reports, all 3 of your scores for just $1, okay? So make sure you guys actually take full advantage of this. Make sure you guys get your credit reports, and you have to go directly to my TikTok shop because I'm saying so many different websites. I'm not going to pin the products down below for this day. You have to go to the TikTok shop to actually get the 3-book bundle, okay? Because I'm talking about websites and I don't want them to be like, you're not supposed to do that. So the first one is you got annualcreditreports.com. You can get all 3 of your credit reports. They're for free, but I tell people to do the identity IQ. Plus I have a free, I don't want to say a free, I have a link where you can get your credit reports for $1. All 3 of your credit reports, all 3 of your scores for just $1. I have that on my website, Rickita.com. Please check it out there, because if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the 6 months worth of free letters. One of the steps, I think it's step number 3, it'll actually give you that link so you can get your credit reports for just $1, okay? I love that because for one thing, is you have all 3 of your credit reports lined up. You'll be able to see all the different errors on your credit reports. That's going to be very, very important when we start going into disputes as to why accounts need to be removed from your credit reports, okay? So I know a lot of y'all don't know what disputes is. We're going to get into that, but I just love the identity IQ. And then also, if you have negative accounts in your credit reports, that means we're going to work to remove those accounts. They have to come off. No doubt about it. Collections, charge-offs, foreclosures, bankruptcies, repossessions, all these things, they have to come off. So if you go to annualcreditreport.com, you're kind of, I wouldn't say you're going to mess it up. You're going to give the credit bureaus 15 additional days to do their job. We don't want to give them no extra days. So I would rather people go to the Identity IQ, use my special link on Rickita.com, scroll down, you'll see the 6 months of letters. I would rather you go there and get your credit reports for $1, all 3 credit reports, all 3 scores for just $1, than to give up 15 additional days, y'all. This is going to make a huge difference, okay? And I'm only thinking about also the knowledge that I have as to disputes and things like that. And let me just tell you guys, just in case you guys don't know, I have settlements with all 3 credit bureaus. I sued 2 collection companies 2 separate times, 2 separate lawsuits, and I have settlements with them. Plus I sued my creditors and have $40,000 worth of debt that I did not have to pay. So I only want to guide you guys in a certain way. So when I say go ahead and pay that $1, please pay that $1. It's $1, and then everything is going to be so lined up for you going forward. I'm not going off of annualcreditreport.com either. Everything is just, it's not lined up, and it's just so much paperwork. You're going to be confused. If you guys use the dollar link that I'm telling you guys about, everything is just going to be so lined up. You're going to be like, oh my gosh, this is so easy. Okay, so make sure you guys, again, go to Rickita.com. That's my name. Go to myname.com. I call it my house. Scroll down. You guys will be able to see, I think it's like step number 3. It will be, you'll see like the get your credit reports, all 3 of your scores for $1 or something like that. But go ahead and do that. Get your credit reports. That's all y'all have to do today. Just get your credit reports, okay? That's literally it. Now, I'm not saying that we're not going to go back to annual credit reports. I'm just saying right now, what we're trying to do, disputes, we don't need to be trying to get up 15 additional days to do anything at all, okay? No, we don't. We need to try to get these accounts deleted ASAP. And if they don't want to delete it from the credit reports, that's when we actually going to talk about the suing. Okay, so go ahead, just get your credit reports. Now, you guys can actually watch day 3, where actually inside the course, actually go over how to skim your credit reports, how to find these errors. Okay, y'all going to find so much more inside of the actual course. So get inside the actual course. So I teach you guys how to fully read your credit reports, how to highlight things, how to change, find dates. But I want you guys to write down the bureau that have the most negative accounts, because that's going to be one that you kind of want to stay away from when you think about applying for credit cards. You want to get the ones that have the least negative accounts. You want to think about that as being the most friendliest one for you. Because as we get accounts deleted, you may get more of your accounts deleted from there, and it's going to stay the best. But it may change. But I want you guys to just write that down so you can know which one is going to be the best for you, which one is the worst for you, okay? Again, take advantage of the free course that you guys have that comes along with the book. Take full advantage of it. Plus, don't forget you guys have the 6 months of letters. So getting the credit reports, that's going to be a part of it anyway, okay? So getting your credit reports, that's going to be a part of it. You need to have a credit report so we can even create 6 months worth of letters for you. That means that you guys can mail these letters in, and every month you got 6 months worth. You're working to try to delete these accounts from your credit reports, okay? But take advantage of the 6 months worth of dispute letters. Don't forget, go to my website, my house, Rickita.com, so you guys can do the Identity IQ. And when you go to Identity IQ, again, you guys should use my special link. It should just be $1 so you can get your 3 credit reports, your 3 scores for 7 days, okay? But that's all y'all have to do. Day 3, just getting your credit reports, okay? Now, day 4, I'm going to teach y'all how to read a credit report, okay? This is going to be real. So I got to teach y'all how to actually read a credit report. I'm going to find my credit report, my simple credit report, have a screenshot up so that y'all can learn how to read it. Y'all have to really look at this screen really close for tomorrow, though, because this is the only way I'm gonna be able to teach you just like this, okay? So make sure y'all be prepared. Make sure y'all have your credit reports. Do not skip days. Do not skip homework. All you have to do is get your credit reports today, okay? That's it. I'll see you guys for day 4.